Do you have persistent cough over 2 weeks with some low-grade fever and weight loss? Please check with your doctor if it could be TB. Over 24 lakhs people in India fall ill with TB every year. Anyone can be affected by TB. It majorly affects your lungs, but it also affects different parts of your body. If you have any of these symptoms or know of someone who has these symptoms, please consult a doctor. Ignoring these symptoms can only make things worse and affect other people around you. You can get yourself tested and also get the treatment at all government facilities. So let's not delay and get tested today. TB हरेगा तो देश जीतेगा.